goo all over the lab table.
It's a ghost, Emma. A very, very slimy ghost. It's looking right at me. Oh, wait, my mistake. It's just really stretchy.
Ho-ho! Happy Halloween, explorers! It seems you've arrived just in time for our Spooky Science Week grand finale, the Slime Surprise.
Slime? Wow. But Dr. Owl, it's everywhere.
Indeed. We've investigated sticky candy and glowing things all week, but today we're learning the science of goo by getting our hands, and perhaps the whole lab, messy.
Ooh, messy is my favorite kind of science. But Dr. Owl, why is it so slimy and gooey and stretchy?
An excellent question, Ziggy. What makes this ooey gooey mixture so wonderfully weird and perfectly spooky? Hoot hoot! Hello, curious minds. You're listening to STEM with Dr. Owl, where big questions turn into fun adventures.
Hi, I'm Emma, always full of questions and ready to explore.
Ziggy here. I know a zillion facts and 0 ways to share cookies.
If you like our show, please share with a friend, a teacher, or your whole class.
Or your neighbor's cat.
Welcome back, explorers. Just before our intro, Ziggy asked the perfect Halloween question. What makes this slime so slimy?
Yeah, is it alive?
Hoo-hoo, a spooky thought. But no, it's all because of some amazing, spooky chemistry.
Chemistry? Can we do the chemistry? I want to make my own spooky goo.
Yes, let's make the goo. Beep, beep.
Hoo-hoo, I was hoping you'd say that. There's no better way to learn about slime than to make it. It's time for our spooky science experiment. How to make your own spooky slime.
Yes! What do we need?
But before we reveal the secret recipe, let's play a quick game of What's in the Goo?
Oh, I love guessing games. Beep, boop, guess.
I'll give you a hint about one of our secret ingredients, and you have to guess what it is. First hint, it's white, it's sticky, and you use it in art class to make projects stick. What is it?
Oh, I know. Glue. It has to be glue.
Correct. And for our second secret ingredient, this one is trickier. It's a liquid that some grown-ups use to clean their contact lenses.
Camera cleaner for their eye cameras. Wait, contact lens solution. Beep, boop.
Hoo-hoo! Exactly, Ziggy. You've guessed our magic ingredients. Now, let's get that recipe. First, and most importantly, find a grown-up to be your chief monster scientist. This experiment is wonderfully messy.
Messy mode activated.
All right, chief scientists, get a bowl. First, you'll need 1 tablespoon of white school glue. Second, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And third, add a few drops of spooky food coloring, maybe monster green or pumpkin orange.
We're using green. It looks so spooky.
Hoot hoot! Perfect! Now, mix that all together. Got it? Now for the final magic ingredient, the activator. You'll need 1 teaspoon of contact lens solution. Grown-ups, make sure the ingredients list boric acid or sodium borate for the magic to work.
Pouring the magic potion. Bleep, bloop, alakazam.
Now, stir. Keep stirring, and you should feel it start to change. It's getting tough to stir, isn't it?
It It is! It's pulling away from the bowl. It's alive!
Ho, not alive, Emma. It's polymerizing. But what does that mean?
It's so gooey. But wait. Wow. Look how far it can stretch. It's like neon green spider silk. But why did that happen?
Mine looks like a wobbly zombie brain. I shall call him Professor Goobert.
Wonderful. Professor Goobert's goo is the perfect example of science. You see, Emma, your question is the most important part. Why did that happen? It's all because of one fantastic science word. Polymers.
Polymers? That sounds like a magic spell.
It does, doesn't it? But it's real science. Poly means many, and mer means parts. So polymers are just super long chains made of many tiny parts, all linked together.
Like a long chain of paper bats you hang up for a Halloween party?
Exactly, Ziggy. That's what polymer molecules are like. The school glue we just used is full of these long, slippery chains. But at first, they aren't holding hands. They just slide right past each other, like a big bowl of cooked spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Wait, but what made them hold hands?
That was the activator. The contact lens solution we added. When that activator mixes with the glue, it's like shouting, "Everyone link up!" All the slippery spaghetti chains suddenly grab hands and won't let go, forming a huge, stretchy, tangled up net.
Whoa! So Professor Goobert isn't a zombie brain. He's just a giant net of molecules holding hands. Hey, Dr. Owl, this reminds me. In our spooky science pack, there's another slime, the monster Oobleck, that we made with cornstarch and water. How is Professor Goobert's goo different from that one?
Hoo-hoo, a very scientific observation, Emma. They are wonderfully different. Our Professor Goobert's goo here is a true polymer. We made new links to create this stretchy net.
A chemical net. Got it.
But that monster Oobleck is what we call a non-Newtonian fluid. It's not a net at all. It's just tiny bits of cornstarch floating in water. If you move slowly, it acts like a liquid. But if you tap it fast, all the bits jam together and it acts like a solid.
Ooh, right. So that's the one that acts like a liquid and a solid. Our goo is super stretchy, but that Oobleck is super tricky.
Exactly right. Both are spooky, but from different kinds of science. Now, explorers listening, let's try something with our polymer. Wiggle your fingers all around, really fast. Those are like the slippery glue molecules before we added the activator. Now, clap your hands together and link your fingers nice and tight. Feel how strong that is? That's your molecules linking up to become the polymer slime.
I'm linking. Uh-oh, I think I linked my circuits. Bleep bloop oopsie.
Silly Ziggy.
Oh, and that, explorers, is chemistry you can feel. And for all our explorers who want to make this again, your grown-ups can find the full step-by-step recipe on our Instagram. Ooh-hoo! Perhaps start with just one more, Ziggy. And that, my friends, officially wraps up our Spooky Science Week.
We learned about glowing things and sticky candy.
And my personal favorite, go. So much glorious, sparkly, Professor Goobert go.
From all of us here at the lab, we wish you a very happy, safe, and scientific Halloween.
Happy Halloween, explorers!
Happy Halloween.
Ziggy, are you okay?
Boo!
Oh.
Gotcha.
Until next time, explorers, stay curious.
Psst. Emma, Dr. Owl, are the explorers gone?
I think so. Why, Ziggy?
I may have accidentally used the giant vat of glue and the whole bottle of activator.
Oh no, Ziggy, where is it?
It's
It's filling the hallway.
It's alive. This time I'm serious.
That was so much fun, Dr. Owl. I hope all our explorers had a great time too.
Hoot hoot! We loved having you with us. If you don't want to miss our next adventure, follow us on your favorite podcast platform.
And if you know a friend who loves exploring too, share our podcast with them.
If you have a question or a topic you want to learn more about, leave us a comment. See you next time.